Hi everyone, today I am working on more treat packaging with the gingerbread and peppermint suite, and I think these little boxes are perfect for just a little tiny treat, and they're really easy for gift giving to children in your class or teachers or just little co-workers, things like that. It fits these little tiny Kit Kats, the fun size candy bars. It also fits the other fun size, the Hershey fun size candy bars too. You can fit 6 of those in here as well. These boxes come in 2 sizes, and this is the smaller. It's 3 1/8 by 3 1/8, and they're really cute for note cards, which is I think their intention. But I use them for treats almost all the time. I don't think I've ever made them with their intended purpose. So you get 10 boxes for $6, so that's a nice deal that they're less than $1 a piece. And this little treat, pretty inexpensive. I'm going to use gingerbread, but of course you can get other flavors as well. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. It fits 5 of the gingerbreads. Now I really wanted to make sure that you can see the little gingerbread men, so that is what I'm going to put on the bottom half. So the boxes fold up fairly easily. I'm going to fold them up really good before adding things, just so they open nice. Okay, so like I said, I want to make sure that the gingerbread men, because they're so cute, are at the bottom. I also want them to face the side of the box that doesn't have obstructions like this flap. So I'm going to put them this way. 2, 3, 4, and then 1 up on the top, just because I might as well give you an extra one, and it fits and it holds the others in place. Alright, so that is that. Now we're just going to decorate it. There is a really cute paper pack called Gingerbread and Peppermint. I'm going to use that because I love some of these patterns. I've been using this paper pack a ton, so I hope I have the pattern I'm looking for. It would be just my luck to have used it all. Here it is. Okay. Now, I think I mentioned the box is 3 1/8 wide. So if you were going to put some paper on the inside, you could do 3 inches, but I want it to be on the outside. I'm trying for ease here. I think I'm going to cut it at 3 inches anyway, just because it's in half, and that way I know I can get 2 from one sheet. So I'm going to go ahead and cut this at the 3-inch mark, and I want to make sure my pattern is going with the zigzags going across. I don't want to cut it this way. You'll see why when I cut the paper, or maybe you could tell from the sample. So I'm going to cut that at 3 inches. Okay, now I'm going to add this to the back. It's going to just cover up those Kit Kat wrappers. Now I'm just going to go ahead and use my tear tape. And I'm going for quick and easy here, so I'm not even going to score my paper here. I'm just going to go ahead and fold it. Placing that down. And then I'm going to go around, and I'm just going to rub it with my fingernail. That's it. Or if you have a bone folder, that's perfect. Okay. Now what I'm going to do is cut along this jagged line there. Now, of course, you could have cut it before before gluing it down, which is what I did on the other one, and I don't know why I didn't remember that. Okay. Now I'm going to go ahead and attach this. I'm not going to worry about it being able to be open here because they can open, your recipient can open the bottom. Okay, so I'm just going to glue it down. Alright, and now for the sentiment, I'm just going to put a little scrap. This is 1 inch of basic white, and I'm going to go with that. You're the icing to my gingerbread, which I've been using all week long. And I just wanted to kind of give the edges a little decoration, so I grabbed the Pick-a-Punch, and all you're going to do is on the one end use the kind of forked area, or the little snake tongue, whatever that is, banner edge, and then I flipped it around and did the other end, the one that sticks out the other way, on that side. Like so. And then I wanted some other little pattern to hang out behind, so I grabbed some of this same designer series paper and found a pattern that I thought would look nice. And I kind of wanted one that had red and green in it. Cut yourself a 1 inch strip, and I went a 3 1/4 because I think that was about how long that was. Am I right? Yep. Okay, so 3 1/4, and then you're just going to do the exact same thing. One end gets the banner end, and the other side gets the pointy end. Okay, and I like to have it show from behind, so I'm going to glue them together and kind of have it so that it's layered and yet one is lower than the other. And I'm just going to wrap around with some baker's twine. I have some red baker's twine. It was on the clearance rack recently, and I think there's some more coming in the spring, so I always grab baker's twine whenever I see it. I like having all the different colors because it's an easy accent, inexpensive, which is what you want with treat packaging, because you know the recipient is going to eat that little treat, and maybe they will use the box for something else, but most likely they may or may not. Okay, now how I like to thread these, let me give you my threading tip. You've probably seen it a million times, but it's this flossers in the tooth, like by the dental floss, and I guess these are to thread dental floss in between braces and things like that. So I picked up some of these, and I mean, they'll last you forever, so one box will do it. Alright, so I'm just going to tie a little bow. Oops. And I want that to stay where I want it. Like this. I want to make sure those gingerbread are showing. Those cute little gingerbread men. There you go. You are the icing to my gingerbread. Super cute. I got the Gingerbread Kit Kats at Target, if you're looking for them. Alright, thank you so much for watching. Bye!